Hey everyone, it's nice to see you here and welcome to my channel. Today, we'll be doing something a little different. If you've been watching my videos, you know that I usually do ASMR unboxings and reviews. But today, I want to talk to you guys personally, and I feel like this would be a great way to start something new. I'm excited to share with you my new portable monitor, thanks to UPerfect. I'm also giving this away to one lucky subscriber, so make sure to stick around until the end of the video to find out how to enter. UPerfect reached out to me about their new monitor with their latest display technology, and I'm really excited to show it to you all today. This is the UPerfect UGame E4 NxtLED version. It's a newly released portable monitor that features a new technology. This new tech stays clear under changing light, comfortable to the eyes for extended use, and consistent from every angle, so you can work and play longer. It's a 18.5-inch monitor that features 120Hz refresh rate, 1080p with eye care display. In terms of build quality, UPerfect is known for its solid material, and this monitor definitely feels like a premium product. It comes with a built-in stand and VESA mount capability, which is exactly what you'd want in a portable display. Now, I recently found out that there's a competitor in the market that offers almost the same quality as this monitor. So today we're going to check it out and compare them side by side. Here we have a portable monitor from VisionOwl that features an 18.5-inch 1080p FHD display. However, it only offers a 100Hz refresh rate and doesn't include eye care technology. It also comes with a built-in stand, VESA mount support, and built-in speakers. I also noticed that it uses similar build materials to the UPerfect monitor, although it feels a bit heavier. Now, let's see them in action side by side. We have the VisionOwl on the left and the UPerfect on the right. One major thing that differentiates the two is the display. I noticed that the VisionOwl has larger bezels, which makes the UPerfect look more sleek, since it offers more screen space with thinner borders. Another difference is the refresh rate. It may not seem like a huge gap, but the UPerfect offers 20Hz more than the VisionOwl. That makes it a better option for gamers. I also noticed that the VisionOwl has a brighter display. However, brighter doesn't always mean better, especially since excessive brightness can strain your eyes over time. UPerfect addresses this with its NxtLED technology, which features an eye care display. It stays clear and bright even under changing lighting conditions. It also delivers OLED-level color performance for a stunning visual experience. On top of that, it helps prevent harsh reflections by diffusing light with its omni-visible technology. In terms of build quality, the two are very similar. Both offer solid, good features. You can easily mount them on a monitor arm using the VESA mount or simply use their built-in stands. However, like I mentioned earlier, the VisionOwl is a bit heavier, which makes the UPerfect more ideal for portability and outdoor use. Now let's talk about the price. You might be surprised to hear that UPerfect is actually cheaper. It offers more features, better specs, and still costs less than the VisionOwl. Because of that, I'd say UPerfect gives you better value for your money. There are a lot of reasons why you should consider this portable monitor and why UPerfect might be perfect for you, no pun intended. But for now, let's compare their built-in sound capability and display to see how they perform. Let's check it out. Not bad for an 18-inch portable monitor. Now let's check out the UPerfect E4. What do you think about that brief comparison? Do you think the VisionOwl sound and looks better than UPerfect? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to learn more about these portable monitors, I've added the links in the description below. Be sure to check them out after watching this video. Also, I'm hosting a giveaway for this UPerfect portable monitor. If you'd like a chance to win, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below to increase your chances. Good luck! Now, let's move on to the gaming test and see how they perform. We'll start with the VisionOwl. Now let's see if the UPerfect lives up to the expectations. I'll leave it up to you to decide your thoughts about the gaming test, but in my opinion, I didn't see a huge difference between the two, and they both performed well under different lighting conditions. However, after playing for about an hour, I noticed that the UPerfect's display was much easier on my eyes compared to the VisionOwl, so for me, UPerfect takes the win here. If you're interested in getting this monitor, I'll leave a discount code in the description below, or you can join my giveaway for a chance to win it for free. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one.